This training video provides guidance on how to use Apptegy Events to create, manage, and publish school events, ensuring accurate and consistent communication with families. Now moving on to the events section. First, we'll talk about school events, and school events is actually a pretty straightforward process. However, if you have a Google Calendar, there are some options. You may sync your Google Calendar in Apptegy into the site. However, there is a process with that. You would have to create a ticket requesting for that to be done, and that also entails the school giving permission to have access to the Google Calendar. Once someone from IT has added your Google Calendar and it is synced, as you add information to your Google Calendar, it will automatically add that into your school events. The athletic events are already set up because the athletic departments have a site that they actually have to go to in order to add their information. So for athletic events, there is nothing that you would need to do because it will just automatically show up. Now, if you do not have a synced calendar, that is okay. You can just click in the right-hand corner where it says Create Event. Now this is, again, pretty straightforward. So here you would just add your event name, toggle over if it is an all-day event. If not, then you would list your start date, start time, end date, end time, whether or not it's a recurring event, and then location. So for location, let's just say it's at the Yum Center. You can just type in Yum and it'll pull up some options here. You could also type in the school address, and that way it will give directions if people may have an event where family members or friends may be coming from out of town. And then as far as event details, you would just list whatever information would be listed here. We have the same type of tools listed here, the same options. However, for event details, there is no option for uploading an image or uploading a video. What's available is basic formatting of any text, and then also if you'd like to add a link, you can add links in there as well. And then you would just hit Create Event in the bottom left-hand corner, and your event would show in your calendar. If you want to edit an event that is already listed on here, you'll just click on that particular event and options to edit. You may also delete. Moving on to athletic events. I know, as I mentioned previously, that there's really nothing that needs to be done here. It is automatically synced. However, if there is a one-off that you need to create an event, you are able to by clicking on Create Event and go through that same process as the school event.